situation what it is. Yeah, man, we back with another one, man. Glad y'all came back. If you're new to the channel, man, please subscribe, man. Consider subscribing. Like, comment, share, man. And if if you ain't new, if you been here for a while, I ain't gotta tell y'all what's up. You know what I'm saying? The giveaway still going on, man. 2K sub giveaway. If you already done it, if you already man, went to your favorite video, man, and shared it and commented done under that video, you can't do it no more, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm keeping tally on it. So you know what I'm saying? You can't do it twice. But for anybody else, man, 2K giveaway, 2K sub giveaway. Go to your favorite video, man. We're trying to get me to 2K subs, man. Go to your favorite video. Share it. After you share it, comment done under that video that you shared. It automatically enters you in the giveaway, man. Your name go in the giveaway job. Yeah, that's it. Also, man, you know what I'm saying, man, please, I'm begging y'all, man, please, man, watch the whole video, man. You know what I'm saying? Watch the whole video. It may not seem like a lot, man, but it take a lot, you know what I'm saying, to put these videos together for y'all. So like the whole video, man. Like I said, like, share. Well, watch the whole video, like the video, share, subscribe, comment, man. I be wanting to hear what y'all. I be wanting to hear what y'all think, man. So comment, man. Let me know. I'm like, I ain't that hard to talk to. So today, what we about to do, man? We about to get it together with this him, man. Something I should have been done. Got my tie-in rods, man. I put these old tie-in rods in there, man. These move things. Put these things together, man. Get them ready to go on the MayRose. So that's what we got, man. Inner and outers. So yeah. That's where we at. Yeah. So got one of them together, man, which it ain't nothing to put them together. You just screw them in the sleeves anyway, but I had to put some more paint on that one, man. That giant got chipped up some kind of way. I don't know how. It was in the box, but yeah. Put these together, man, and we're gonna go up with them, man. What's up? Yeah, man, we back up in here one more time, man. So we about to get straight to it, man. Go ahead and attempt to take these tie-in rods out, put these new ones in. As you can see, I got MayRose crossways in this thing. Probably finna, what I need to do is I don't know. What I need to do, well, first of all, I need to turn this football game on, because I know that football game about to come on. Do that. Wish I had a TV out here, man. That'll be fat. I ain't put a TV somewhere around here. I don't know. But anyway, about to get it on with this right quick. I got my head mount for my GoPro, so I think I'm gonna use that too. GoPro, got my head mount. I think I'm gonna use that also. But I don't think it pick up real well. I got a light up under there. I don't think it pick up real good in low light situations, but this will be my time to use it. So yeah. Let me get to work, fellas. Ladies and gents. Let me get to work and I hit y'all bite. Yeah, man. Better take this old stuff out. Get that new stuff. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee, y'all. Hey, look. Safety first, y'all, okay? Man. Y'all up under your car, man. Put your safety glasses on. When you doing anything with your car, put safety glasses on. Man, something just flew in my eye, boy. That shit hurt so bad. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man. But, got the first side out. The first side out, man. Finna get ready to go back over this good moog. Hold on. I don't want to touch it, man. My hands been clean all day. I don't want to touch it. Let's see. Which one is this? This right here is the inner. That's the inner right there. These the outers. These the sleeves. So take me one kit over here right quick, man. So y'all can see what's going on. I got a tripod. I don't know why I'm holding this camera. Yeah, there we go. Got your sleeve. This right here is a outer right here because it got like a little bend to it. I don't know if y'all can see that little bend right there. And this one straight. See how straight that one is? And this one here kind of bent. I got like a little bend to it. Yeah. So, let me pull these out. Turn this game on, man. You gotta watch the game on the phone, ain't that something? Yeah, put me some out here in the garage. Come on. My stuff. Where's the stuff? Damn, hold on. I ain't know where they go. Runs in throughout a drive just to keep the defense honest. Got my boys on, man. And I'm on this old Michelob Ultra tonight. First down and 10 from the 40. Batted up in the air and harmlessly hits the turf. Looking to go to DeAndre Hopkins. Yeah. Smith got a hand on it. And that's exactly what you have to do against Kyler Murray. Let's get the ball in his hands quick. A lot of quick. This stops his pass rush. Gets his hands up in the air. That's going to be a grab his body right quick. Oh, shit, it's way over. That thing was, oh boy, look at that. Whole boot came off. These ain't no moves, you know that. Yeah. Let me reconstruct me one. Get y'all back. Yeah. Alright, so got one side on. my side on. Fold it back up, cotter pins in. I gotta tighten these up. I ain't tighten them up yet. Tighten them up. There go the old stuff. So yeah, we finna go back up on this other side. Ooh. Go back up on this other side, man, and yeah. Ooh, look at that paint. MayRose, you are pretty. But yeah. Let me see. Can y'all see this one? Look at that old stuff, man. If I get that old stuff out of there, and I still gotta do my island arm and my pitman arm. Still gotta do that. I ain't done that yet. Matter of fact, I got one of them in here. I don't know which one I got, but I gotta change those too. So yeah. Let me get back to work. Oh boy. All right, y'all.
3 minutes to play.
Side 2 is in. Now I'm about to tighten everything up and put this junk down, man, to see what we get. To see what we got as far as alignment. See if my tires looking pretty straight. And yeah.
Nice job just on the outside
That's
zone.
gonna be,
You see him get it right off tackle.
I'm kind of concluded, man.
Hit the
You know
ball
what I'm
outside
saying?
on the
I mean, I'm gonna
perimeter.
bring y'all back, but after I check to see if everything's straight, you know, that'll be pretty much it for this go round.
They got to get him some room to run. He's got to secure that football. And at some point in time, they got to take some shots downfield off of play action. If they can run it like that, they'll set themselves up to take a shot eventually. Filling it out. That's Pollard back in. 20 to point to the left of Dolphins.
But all right.
And they'll give it to Pollard.
Oh. Yeah, we done now. Everything greased up, tightened up, cotter pinned up. Yep. So let this thing down, man. Check this alignment. See if everything's straight. Hopefully my wheel's straight. It looks straight. It looks straight, I guess. I don't feel like it's turned a little bit. My wheel turned. Let me see. This one may be out a little bit too then. Yes, out just a tad. Just a tad. Because the wheel turned that way. Let me see. I mean, if not, then I have to. I need to go and look, because I can't see standing right here. I'm fade y'all back in, hold on. Yeah. Got baby sitting in that goddamn garage. Sideways, boy. I ain't checked to see if it was lined up or not, man. She's just so pretty. Ooh. She just, ooh. Paint, man. Good gracious. Yeah, man. This is where we at. Finna pull it out and pull it right in front of the garage, man, so I can look and see if everything lined up. And yeah, I know I said that the last few times, but I'm for real this time, y'all. Alright, I'm for real this time. Yeah. Well, it looks straight to me. I don't know if y'all can see, y'all probably can't tell, but it looks straight. Whenever I decide to go to the alignment shop, yeah, give me straighter than that, I'm sure, but man, I hope they don't copyright me, man, for all this copyright, man, MayRose doing out here, man. Look at, listen to all that copyright. Boy, MayRose, you need to cut it out. You cutting up. But yeah, this is the old stuff. I think this one, the boot's coming off on this one. Yeah, that's good. Yep, old stuff, man. I don't even know if it ever been changed before, so had to do that. Now I got a couple more components that got to be changed on the front end, and I'll be done with that. So yeah, now I'm gonna have to wash it. She ain't been washed, I don't know how long. I'm gonna wash this done and fine. Yeah. Oh. So yeah, man, that's what my day done consisted of. Doing that front end, well, I ain't gonna say my day, but doing that front end work. Put them titanium rods on. Yeah. So I guess that's, man, I'm gonna leave y'all it, man. Till the next adventure, man. You know, doing the rest of the